Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create a board in the Pinterest application. So in order to begin, I'll open the Pinterest application. Once I'm in the application, what I can do is click on this create option at the bottom, and now it's asking me three options. So in this video I'll be showing you only how to create a board. So I'll click on board, and now it's asking me to name my board. So maybe I'll name it as tech info. And now once you have typed in your name of your board, you have to click on next, and as you can see the board is successfully created. Now in order to find your board, what you can do is click on the saved option, and now in here you can see the tech info board. You can click on it. As you can see, so that's how you can easily create a board in the Pinterest application. In the next video, I'll be showing you how you can easily create pins to this board and so on. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.